Okay guys, today I'm going to try to learn how to sharpen my blades on my bench grinder. So I'm going to go ahead and look that up in Google, the proper angle. Looks like it's 45 degrees here. I'm going to go ahead and open up that link in another window. Look at some video previews, and from what I could tell off this website and a few others, it looks like 45 degrees is the correct angle. Once again, 45 degrees seems to be the right angle. I'm going to go ahead and fire up my bench grinder here, and I'm going to try to do this at a 45 degree angle. I am not an expert at this. This is actually my first attempt, so if I'm doing anything wrong, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any tips for me on how to get better at this. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up here. Just trying to figure out how to get an edge on there. And when I felt like I had a pretty good edge, I saw that there was some like loose material at the end that wouldn't just come off. And I'm using the 120 grit belt on here to just try and take some of that material off while still preserving the edge. I don't know if this is a mistake or not. It seemed like it was working kind of fine to me. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up here. Testing the edge there, it seems okay, but I can still feel some of that material on the edge there. I'm going to go ahead and take it back from the sander. Alright. So now I'm going to do a couple tests with some food here. Some things you may see me using. Slice is pretty easy. I'm getting some pretty good tests here. I'm not really throwing this pretty hard, but I'm just kind of dropping it. And then when I do the little thin slices, looks very nice. And then now I'm going to start with some softer potatoes. I didn't think these would work at all, but to my surprise, it looks like it's pretty sharp, guys. I'm not sure. Kind of diced it into 3 pieces there. I'm not throwing this hard at all. I'm just kind of trying to drop this in place. And now I'm just putting almost no pressure through that potato, and it's just slicing it. Same with that, I'm just drawing through here. Now I'm just putting a little bit of pressure. I'm seeing how I'm not quite getting the edge that I want, but it's still very sharp. Now here I'm putting almost no pressure down. I'm trying to put as little pressure as I can. And now I'm drawing through. And now I'm putting a little bit more pressure. And now just trying to see if I can go through it with one hand. Looking pretty good. Looks like I can go through it with one hand. Looks like I'm getting a sharper cut towards the handle here. Yeah. Not sure. Looks okay. Not quite as sharp as I want it to be, but I probably don't have the right tools to get it as sharp as I want it, where it just goes through everything with almost no resistance. However, I'm a big guy, but I'm not putting any pressure on here, and it's just slicing right through everything. Feels good. Very satisfying. I'm going to try to cut through this plastic bottle just to see if I can do it. And to my surprise, it kind of just went through it rather quickly. And then I just started cutting into it. And I kept cutting into it more and more and more. And I'm just drawing through it, and I'm getting some nice clean cuts here. Very, very satisfying. And there you have it. You can see it's not a perfect edge by any means. I'm just having trouble getting it to focus, the camera to focus on the edge, but if you can see anything that I'm doing wrong, have any tips for me, let me know. And if you like this kind of video, like, comment, and please consider subscribing. I'll be doing more knife sharpening videos, trying to get better at this, and take you guys along with me. Thanks. Bye.